I'm trying to figure out what this is called for. Do I call this for insurance purposes or assurance purposes? I guess it's a little bit of both. Just in case there's anything wrong, came from Sweetwater, they can have video footage of it. Here's how it showed up. Doesn't look like the box is beat up too bad. You know, I mean, it looks like it's been shipped, but it doesn't look like it's totally beat up. So we'll go ahead and, whoops, there goes a guitar pick out of my pocket with my knife. Let's see here. Go ahead and, all these one-handed unboxing videos, right? I'm not really an unboxing video type of guy, but this time I'm doing it for insurance purposes. Or assurance purposes. I can't figure out which one. Alright, let's see. Looks well packed. And Sweetwater was definitely inside it before they shipped it. Here comes the candy and the whole deal and the thank you and another sticker. Always awesome shipping. Apparently the way I found this was that it was shipped yesterday and it's here today. So there we are. And obviously I can't do this one-handed, so I'm going to have to put you down for a second. And just once again, to just document that it's packed well, there's the cord and all the plastic packaging. Looks like very nice shape. Let me pause again. And this is going to be the first of 2 new amplifiers coming my way. Coming your way too. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace.